I'm sure you're aware by now that the Mavic 4 Pro is an absolute powerhouse, phenomenal drone with a triple camera system, and Freewell have got some awesome ND filters for the Mavic 4 Pro. This is their split ND 4-pack, so it actually splits the ND. So you've got an ND8/ND4, ND16/ND8, ND32/ND16, and then the ND64/ND32. Looks like a really nice ND pack, and as always they do a great job with their packaging. I really love how it all comes presented as always. So once we've got that off, there is a little reveal window right there to showcase the actual packet, the box, and so that's everything we get inside. We get a little microfiber cloth, which is always very nice. We get some stickers and information there. And then the main piece is this. So I love that it comes in a case now. It says split ND for Mavic 4 Pro, as you can see there. It's got a little clip to secure it. So if I release that and open it up, you can see how beautiful that is. They always do such a nice job with their glass. It's always such a high quality product from Freewell. And so all you've got to do, I'll just move this a little closer so you can see. I always find it's easiest to hold the camera to secure it underneath, and then at the end there you twist and pull off, and that removes this piece here, which just comes with it. And then if we have a look at, for example, this guy here, this right here is the ND64 and ND32. So the 64 is for the main Hasselblad camera system. And again, you put it on an angle and then twist it into place and it secures, as you can see there. So it actually says Freewell on the top instead of where it said Hasselblad before. So that's really, really nice. I love how they've done that. And so if I just angle it down so you can properly see it. So that's the 64 on top there, a little bit darker. The main camera system has adjustable aperture, so you can really customize that. And then the two bottom cameras there, that's an ND32. So this is what the original one looks like. It just says Hasselblad at the top, and then it's just got some glass by the looks of it covering it. Probably need to clean that one by the looks of it. And then this is the kit here. So this is what you can expect in the kit. If I just kind of move it into frame there for you to see. So that's what it looks like. I've gone with the darkest ND filter there just to kind of show you what you can expect, but really easy to install. As you saw before, it's as simple as securing the camera, twisting to remove, grabbing another one, putting it on a slight angle like so, and then twisting it into place. And it really is that simple to swap out these filters here from Freewell. Really nice case, like I mentioned. Everything slots into place nicely. Nice snug fit in the case. You can see I can then secure the case like so, and yeah, that's what you can expect. They've done a great job here, and this is well worth grabbing if you've got yourself the Mavic 4 Pro.